The topic, the immortal jellyfish, is indeed fascinating, as it delves into the intriguing world of biology and the secrets of life itself. Let's explore the top 10 points about this unique creature, highlighting its extraordinary ability to revert to a juvenile form and the potential implications for longevity and immortality. The discovery of Turritopsis dohrnii. It was in the 1980s when scientists first discovered Turritopsis dohrnii, commonly known as the immortal jellyfish. What makes this tiny creature so unique is its ability to reverse its biological clock, effectively returning to its juvenile state whenever it faces stress, injury, or illness. Imagine a creature that can live forever. This jellyfish is believed to have the potential to do just that. Scientists were initially stunned by the jellyfish's ability to transform itself back into a polyp, a stage where it can start its life cycle anew. It was a discovery that opened the door to questions about the limits of life on Earth and beyond. Imagine a creature so unique that it could quite literally live forever. This isn't science fiction, it's real, and it's found in the oceans. The mechanism behind the rejuvenation process. So, how does Turritopsis dohrnii perform this incredible feat of cellular regeneration? The jellyfish's cells are capable of reverting back to a younger form when it undergoes stress or damage. Scientists believe this process involves the reactivation of genes that were used during its early development stages. As the jellyfish faces physical damage, such as from a predator attack or environmental stress, its cells undergo apoptosis, programmed cell death. Instead of dying, however, the cells reprogram themselves, essentially erasing the damage and returning to a juvenile stage where they can start the process over again. This process, known as transdifferentiation, is a rare phenomenon in the animal kingdom and remains a topic of intense scientific study. Imagine a jellyfish that doesn't just survive, it resets its life cycle. How is this possible? And what does it mean for life on Earth? The potential implications for human longevity. One of the most tantalizing aspects of Turritopsis dohrnii's ability to revert to a juvenile state is the possibility it holds for human longevity. Scientists have long sought ways to extend human life, and the jellyfish's regenerative abilities offer a glimpse into what might be possible with advanced medical technology and genetic manipulation. While we're still far from understanding the full genetic and biochemical mechanisms that allow this reversal, the prospect of using similar methods to repair damaged tissues, organs, and even reverse aging processes in humans has sparked considerable interest among researchers and bioethicists alike. Could the secrets of the immortal jellyfish one day help us live longer, healthier lives? Could the immortal jellyfish hold the key to human immortality? The implications are staggering and could change how we view aging forever. How the immortal jellyfish challenges traditional concepts of aging. Traditionally, aging has been seen as an inevitable decline, marked by the loss of cells, tissues, and organs over time. However, Turritopsis dohrnii challenges this narrative by demonstrating that aging isn't necessarily a one-way street. This jellyfish's ability to return to its juvenile state suggests that aging may be more plastic than previously thought. It doesn't just grow old and die. It can potentially reset its life cycle whenever conditions become unfavorable. This has led to a reevaluation of how we understand the aging process and whether it might be possible to tap into similar mechanisms in humans to extend life. What if aging wasn't a one-way path? The immortal jellyfish challenges everything we thought we knew about growing old. Environmental and ethical concerns around studying and applying the jellyfish's abilities. As scientists delve deeper into the mysteries of the immortal jellyfish, they are confronted with a number of ethical and environmental challenges. While the idea of living forever is undeniably alluring, there are concerns about the implications of such advancements, especially if they are used irresponsibly. Could we potentially disrupt ecosystems or create unforeseen consequences by attempting to apply these principles to human biology? Moreover, there's the ethical question of whether it's right to intervene in the natural order of life in this way. These issues highlight the need for careful and thoughtful research, as well as discussions about the potential impact of these discoveries on society. The immortal jellyfish isn't just a marvel of biology. It's a Pandora's box of ethical dilemmas and environmental concerns. What happens if we take these abilities too far? The global search for similar immortality mechanisms in other species. Turritopsis. Dohrnii isn't the only creature with remarkable regenerative abilities. Scientists are now on the lookout for other species that might exhibit similar traits. From deep-sea creatures to microscopic organisms, the search for immortality genes is a global effort. The jellyfish has sparked interest, not just in biology, but also in the fields of genetics, biotechnology, and medicine. If other organisms can be found with comparable abilities, it could provide a broader understanding of aging and longevity, and even offer new avenues for research and therapy. The quest for the secrets of immortality is only just beginning. The immortal jellyfish is just the tip of the iceberg. What other creatures could hold the key to living forever? The scientific community's response to the immortal jellyfish. The scientific community has been both fascinated and cautious in its response to Turritopsis dohrnii. While there's a great deal of excitement about the jellyfish's regenerative capabilities, there's also a recognition that these abilities could be misunderstood or misapplied. Scientists have been working to understand the genetic and cellular mechanisms at play, but the complexity of the jellyfish's biology means there's still much to learn. This has led to a cautious approach to studying the jellyfish, with many researchers focusing on understanding the basics before moving on to more speculative applications, like using the jellyfish's abilities in human medicine. The scientific community is treading carefully. What do we really know about the immortal jellyfish, and how far should we go in using its secrets? Potential future applications in human health and medicine. The implications of the immortal jellyfish's abilities could go beyond theoretical biology and find practical applications in human health. Imagine a world where aging isn't a one-way path, but a process we can slow or even reverse. The potential applications range from treating chronic diseases to enhancing the body's ability to heal itself. By studying the mechanisms that allow Turritopsis dohrnii to rejuvenate, scientists hope to unlock new therapeutic strategies that can be used to combat diseases like cancer, diabetes, and heart disease. The quest to understand and possibly replicate these abilities is at the forefront of medical research. The immortal jellyfish could be more than just a scientific oddity. It could be the future of medicine, promising breakthroughs we can't yet imagine. The road ahead for immortal jellyfish research. Looking ahead, the study of the immortal jellyfish is likely to expand in ways we can't yet predict. As technology advances, so too does our ability to study and manipulate genes. The next decade could see significant breakthroughs in understanding not just the jellyfish's life cycle, but how these principles can be applied to humans. As researchers explore the depths of biological science, there's a real possibility that we could unlock the secrets to cellular regeneration and immortality. The immortal jellyfish isn't just a biological wonder. It's a symbol of what might be possible when science meets nature at its most mysterious. The immortal jellyfish is leading us into a new era of scientific discovery. What will we find next? And how far can we go in unlocking the secrets of life? Thank you for tuning in. If you found this content intriguing, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to stay updated with more fascinating videos on YouTube.